Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. This morning is actually a Sunday morning and it's 9:41 right now. Bro, today is gonna be exciting because today we're gonna actually go ahead and work in the Scion TC. We're gonna put a brand new transmission into it because that car been sitting for too long and the old one is crapped out. So basically I'm gonna show you what's wrong with it right now. Go ahead and take apart the clutch pack, you will call it. So according to what I said before in the last previous video, is that when I was actually driving, I was driving, working perfectly fine, and then just stopped. Like I pressed the gas and there was nothing. So it goes in reverse perfectly fine. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take apart this clutch pack. So let's see what we got going on here. And I got my little thumb a little dirty here. Yeah, there we go. And let's go. So now we got this clutch pack here. Pull this pin or ring or clip, you may say, out of here. This is this little clip that keeps everything together. And we're going to take apart this little plate here. Alright. And that looks good. We're going to put it face down. So when we put it back together, it goes this way. And we'll take this clutch right here. This looks good. Yeah, this looks really good. Put it like that. And right away, I could tell that this ring here is burnt. You can tell, I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up pretty well, but it has a good amount of burnt marks in it. Let's flip it over. Oh, that's a lot more. So that could be my issue right there. But on this side, it's a little burnt, and on this side, a lot more burnt. So I'm gonna put it facing down. Let's see how much more we got going on. So this is good. That's good. I'm putting it down like that. And as I'm going down, as you can see, you get more burnt plates. Look at that. All right, let's put this down over here. That's not good at all. All right, so take this one here. That's good. All right, there's my little pocket screwdriver. Okay, got this one out. This one is a bigger one. It's more thicker, but it looks a little burnt on the outside, but that's fine. All right, there's a bigger one on the inside. Okay, let's see if I can remove this. Whoop. All right, that looks good. I'm gonna put this down right here. Okay, move this. Okay. And I'm just gonna move it in a way that once I go put it back together, it goes back the way it comes out. So I'm gonna put this right there. All right. Okay, so we got these ones in here now. These are I want to say these are the shorter gears, the higher gears, or lower gears. I don't know. Whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and move this right here. I hope I can get this back together when I'm done. But that's out. I'm gonna take this and put this out like that. There's a screwdriver. Take this up. And that looks good. Put this over there like this. So this way, yeah, these are the taller gears. I'm gonna feel they putting this back together. But as of now, you can tell that some of the gears are burnt. So that's not good. Like I said before, I don't really. Woo! Okay. Alright, take this, put it over there like so. And I should get in there like this. Whoa, 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 whoa. We got stuff going on here. Alright. Let's turn this over. This looks good. Put that there. And then this is the
like acts like a pressure plate, but this goes back in there like so. Right, because the other one's right there. And I'm gonna take this one and we'll flip it. That looks good. I'm gonna take this one now. Oop, oop, come on. Okay, let's take these out. Let's take these springs out because I want to see if I can get this up. Okay, here she comes. All right, that looks good. That looks good. Okay. All right, flip this over. That looks good. And so if you have any questions or comment, let me know if I'm doing this all wrong. But as of now, these set of these set of clutches are good. These sets are good, so it's just the other ones are burnt. So I'm not sure if this is for the reverse, but this set right here is pretty good. Okay, this set is pretty good. So what I'm going to do right away, seeing the fact that this is actually good, I'm going to go ahead and put it back together right now. All right, so this way I don't forget.
And yes, the clutches are burnt, so I can't do anything with it. So I have to go ahead and get a brand new transmission. So other than that, let's get into the video, and I'll talk some more as we're going through the video. All right, so let's go. I was gonna record the whole thing of me picking up the transmission, but that video kind of like went south a little bit, so I'm gonna just go ahead and just review the transmission because it was $700, and I would just say like, hey man, like this car has a lot of miles on it already, so just giving it a new transmission is not gonna hurt it. You know what I mean? So as I go into this video, just gotta take this out. You see, you know, when you get something from a junkyard, they actually would go ahead and spray it to mark it, just in case if you were to bring something back, it's warrantable. Like, you know, okay, they sprayed this color on it, and they will know that this is the transmission they gave you, and if you bring it back with something wrong with it, they could warranty and give you another one. But other than that, the transmission is a brand new transmission. Technically, the miles that was on this vehicle when it came out had 87 miles on it, 87,000 miles on it. My car currently now have 160,000 miles on it, so it's not bad. It's not bad at all. So as I'm gonna go ahead and take this out, and let's prep the car for some repairs and put a new legs. I would say this is the legs of the car. You know, this is what drives the car. So let's do that. Look at this. I have this engine. It's been sitting here for so long that it has a whole colony right here. Look at that. Oh, let's move it out. Oh, mama, don't come and catch me. A lot of bugs and stuff in there. Yep. Whole colony. Yeah. So right now we're gonna go ahead and remove some of these brackets. As I could tell right here, this engine mount bracket here is actually bent, so shouldn't be of a big deal. Then here you could tell that it's pushed in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this whole assembly right here, and probably just keep just the bracket. And coming around this mount here, I'm just gonna leave it there. I'm not gonna move it. And I'm noticing that it's leaking transmission fluid. So that means that this pan is damaged. So once I put it up in the car, I'm gonna go ahead and replace the pan. because this panel like is shot. And other than that, everything else looks good. Just gotta basically remove this connector here, and I have to remove this here on top, this bracket, because that bracket looks like it's bent as well. And yeah, other than that, everything else looks good. Hopefully everything else is good. So you can see inside has a little bit of rust, but that's not a big deal. Just gonna spray that down. And so let's get into disassembling these pieces. All right, guys, so right now the main part of the project is done. The transmission is in, as you can see, but I'm gonna have to call it a day right here because I have to cut the lawn. And yeah, one of the few things I gotta do today. As you can see, transmission is in, so that's good. And gotta pack up all these tools that I got out here. I am heading to a car show, a car meet right now, so let's cut the lawn. And after I do that, then I'm gonna go ahead and actually just put everything back together. In the garage, cut the lawn, and then head out to the car meet. So let's go. Let's do this. And let's go. It's hot. It is really hot right now. Like, it's crazy. So let's get this done because right now the lawn is dry and this is the best time to do it. I'm all cleaned up from a long day of work. Did a transmission in TC, cut the lawn, and now I'm heading down to Orlando, to the Wolves Dens, Orlando. Having a car show down there, Only Exotics, sorry. And it's gonna be a great time, have some food, hang out with the boys, and let's have a great evening. So let's get on this road here and let's have a good time. Oh, we're going into the clouds. Oh man, look at that. That is crazy. Oh. Let's see what it turns out to be. Look at that. It's like thunder and lightning.
Oh no.
Yeah, it's like night. That's how dark it is right now. Like from daylight to night. 20 minutes. Crazy. It's Florida for you. Woo. Lightning. Stay right here.
Right, my mom would park if she would wait until the
Tom, you good? Oh, yes, lift. You good? Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.